Well, this is the path we're going to take to hunt for our truffles when the hounds come down to give us a hand. Nicola went up to get them. So it's a little bit better here in the shade, but we got long sleeve shirts, long pants on. It's a little hot with all this stuff on. Put some bug spray on, and I got my fan going. So okay. Here's the hounds here. These are the guys. These are the guys who are looking for the truffles here. They're already sniffing around here, trying to check it out. They smell all this bug repellent. So there's Nicola there. He's got his little shovel there, and he's all ready to roll. All right.
Hi, I'm Nicola. I'm truffle hunter.
All right.
And these people here, they really believe that I know something about truffle. And I don't know nothing. But they will pay me something that I teach them something, and I don't know nothing. So welcome on my tour. But what I know that we depends on my dogs. They will show to us what truffle hunting is.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
You. We got the dogs here. They're the star of the
Mala,
show too.
12 years old.
Mala.
And Zara, 11 years old.
Zara, 11 years old. Oh, you go take a little rest
lazy.
there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Puppies, we putting in their food something with that flavor of truffle. Some, I don't know, truffle cream, truffle olive oil, something. Or you just slice truffle in their food. Then, when they are, or easier way, if you breed them at home, for the first moment that they are born, you can use mother breast and put truffle olive oil on the mother breast. They don't open their eyes, but... And I have one crazy story. They know that story, but to me it's funny to tell you that story. One Russian family, I explained to them, mother breast, truffle olive oil. So that was not thinking. That man, he didn't be prepared to that. He hear that, he turned to his wife. You see, it's not my fault. My mother, she was using vodka. He used that immediately. But like, this is, let me say, easier way. But still they don't understand what you expect from them. Now they'll expect something good from you, from their mother or something like that. So when they're 2-3 months old, we start to work with them. This training, it's more like a game. It's something fun to them. So I'm just running with them. I throw them something. If they'll be able to find, I reward them. Then I start to plant them to the ground for some surface and deeper. We make them just more and more and more difficult. They need to learn how to dig. On beginning, just ruling the soil with the nose. They don't know how to use the claw. But then you have big help from these older dogs. Older dogs, they understand that they can't anymore like before. So if I will have now my young dog with me, she found the truffle. My young dog, he just push her away. Hey, oh, I want to dig here. Sometimes she don't smell the truffle. She's just checking. She's dig something. She see that it's nothing. She go away. Young dog, he come there. He's digging like crazy. Archie, it's nothing here. But I want to dig. Like, to him, this is the fun. So he's playing. Training of dogs, sometimes, if you're lucky, it can be a few months. Sometimes you will spend few years to train them. Some of them, they will never be for this kind of job. They will search, but I have one dog, golden retriever, Donna. First 3 years of her life, okay, first year was training. 2 other years, she was working excellent. In one moment, she started to fight with my best dog, with my Labrador, Nelly. So I need to choose which one I will take. I choose Nelly. She's better dog. Donna was okay, but Nelly, she was something special. I choose Nelly, golden retriever, jealous. From that day, she didn't find me not even one truffle anymore. She come to the woods, she pees on each tree. She was 3. I have been feeding her at home 9 years. She passed away, she was 12. Full of love. You give her truffle, oh yeah, to the forest, nothing.
Ah, that's a truffle right
so
there.
So that truffle was found here.
Okay, it's found right over here.
Smell that. So like, this is that kind of, that part of this job on which you don't know what it will be. Sometimes one week crazy how many truffles, then you have few days nothing. But on the end, you all can earn real good money.
Here, I'll hold it.
We have black and white truffles. Black truffles, they're not so expensive because black truffles you can find almost all around the world. And they know the way how to grow them, how to cultivate them. In US, you are from US. Yeah.
Yeah, in the northwest, the Pacific Northwest.
You see the truffle here? You can smell it.
Here,
I can't really, I smell a little bit in there.
only, I don't
If
know.
I take a deep breath,
It's not, so it's a bigger one.
you smell it there, okay. Anybody else?
Thank you. Zara,
Okay, we're starting.
before she finds some truffle here.
Oh, okay.
Dođi, Zara. Good.
We found some the other day. We're going to have another check here.
Found some truffles here before.
Move down so you can all
Let's
see.
check one more time. Yes, sir.
See if they're going
Yes,
to
sir.
find anything else. They're still
Yeah,
looking.
that's the spot from before.
Looking for those truffles there.
Yes, sir.
Maybe
Yeah.
there's more growing
Yes, sir.
in the same spot where they found one the other
Yes, sir.
day.
No, not the same spot.
Maybe not. Well, sort of.
Ajde, Zara, provjeri. Provjeri.
He's checking.
Ajde, Zara, je?
They're looking.
Yes, sir.
They're smelling.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got their noses
Yes, sir.
working there.
Yes, sir. Bravo, Zara, je? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The black one seems to
Yes,
be the dominant one for the
Something
best
she'll
smell.
start to dig, and when she's digging with two claws, then it's tough. One claw is checking. When I'm talking with them, I don't order them, I just motivate them. Come on, it is something well done, search, like encourage them, motivate them. Ajmo, dođi. Ajmo.
Okay, he's going to go in the woods a little bit, and we're going to follow along on the path here
Dođi.
and see if we find anything.
Je. Ajmo, Zara. Je, Zara.
He's back in there.
Je, Zara.
He's back in there somewhere. It's hard to see him. He's behind the trees. There he is. You got one of them is coming back out on the trail.
Dentro malo. Mala, torna ti.
He's being called back in. Go get in there, buddy.
Ajmo.
All right. Oh, the dogs are still back in there with Nicola. Still trying to find some truffles. He's back there in all the brush and everything. We're going to stay on the pathway. A possible truffle up there.
Zara, tu, je. Hop, 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 hop.
Dog is digging.
Ajde, Zara. Je, Zara, tu, je.
Yeah. He's still digging. Nicola is digging with his spade now, and oh, that's a pretty good sized hole there.
Ah. Rotten piece. of white
Rotten
truffle.
piece there.
Why?
But
Why?
White.
why not before?
Ah,
Look where we are. Before
Right there.
I turn here inside, you have been taking this video of her
right.
when
Yeah,
she was.
yeah, it went right
Now-
past there.
We get rotten piece here. Why not on both trees in Zara? Okay, look, it's small, it's rotten,
You can
but
smell
it's
it.
new. So now I hope that you understand that story. Be on the right place in the right time. Why not before? And this is my second time this morning in this part of the woods. So why not this first? No, first 3 times. So one inside, one outside, with you one entrance. Now on the 4th time she smelled that.
Let's bring out some samples here we can try. We got little spoonies and different things here.
Do
Okay.
you want to explain?